Hello everybody, there's a factory and some kind of a handicraft products are being made here. Like those, look at them. It's made of the thatch. Maybe this is your first time to hear this word. This kind of thing can be put in the car, in your apartment, in your swanky apartment, as you're very natural. I think it is very natural. Yeah, and it can make your life to be much colorful. There's a puppy. Yeah. Let me check this one. Yeah, this is pretty good. And when they receive this, they are going to further beautify them. They told me. So this is kind of half-made products. And maybe they can color them. They can put something else on it or put somewhere in it. I don't know. So this one is pretty nice. Ooh. It's beautiful. Yeah, I just like it because it's very natural. It's made of this kind of thatch. You can see. Look at them. Yeah, I think some natural things are much better for our life and it's more environment friendly. Let's go and check that machine. That machine is working. Yeah, that's a machine. Simple, but it's pretty nice. Yeah, have you got this kind of ornaments in your home? I think it is pretty nice. Just wait a second. We are going to check the machine. When the machine is working, we can see it. She's pretty professional. Wow, amazing. So there are 3 bunches of thatch. Okay, you're going, wow, intertwined in that way. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye, everyone.